I'm going to show you how easy it is to get a complete video package with YouTubeCreatorAI.com. First, go to YouTubeCreatorAI.com, go to the Topic Scout, and come over here to Categories. You can drop down a category here, or put in a custom category. I do celebrity real estate videos and lifestyles. So let's go ahead and put this as the custom category here, and we're going to find trends. Give this just a minute here. It's going to pull up live Google Trends, YouTube Trends, and give us some updated trending topics about celebrity real estate here. This takes a little bit longer because it's not just going to give us the ideas, it's going to tell us why it's trending and how to film it. We have another option here, evergreen idea generator. This is going to be a little bit quicker. It's going to use base knowledge. So here's our topic scout. So it's going to give us 5 great ideas here. Number 1, Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck's Beverly Hills mansion back on the market again. This is a hot topic in celebrity real estate. Diddy's Los Angeles and Miami mansions. Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift real estate and engagement moves. Kanye West's gutted Malibu mansion. Celebrity homes on the market. And this gives us some celebrities that are selling there and buying their homes. So these topics are 1 through 5. So this is giving me 5 great ideas for a celebrity real estate video. So I'm going to do this one here, number 3. So you have a few options. We can ask AI about it, and it'll give us some more ideas about this particular topic. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to ask AI, give this just a minute as well, because it's going to give us some updated info about this particular topic. So once again, you don't have to leave YouTube Creator AI to do all your research on whatever video topic. So this gives us some ideas about of course, their engagement, the proposal, their timeline, wedding talk, and talks about Taylor Swift's property portfolio. So this is some great info that you can use for a video. So let's save these to our notes. So we're going to exit that out. Since I'm going to do a video about this topic, let's go ahead and all we have to do is click this. We're not having to prompt or do anything else. Now we're going to generate some titles for this particular topic. So let's generate titles. Give this just a minute here. This can be a good title as well, for a YouTube video. So it gives us some titles for a particular video here. We can save all these to notes. It's going to tell us why this particular title works. These titles are optimized for all viewing devices, so they're going to be a little bit shorter because they're going to be optimized for TV, mobile, desktop. And you also have an option to do a shorts video, so we'll go to that later. So now that we have a title, we need a description. So give this just a minute, and it's going to generate a description. If you just need to use this tool just for your titles or description, you can do that as well. I'm going through the full idea package, so it's going to give us a great description here. We can save that to notes. It's going to give us some long tail keywords, some short keywords, and a suggested file name. Now we can generate a thumbnail concept. So let's do this here. With celebrity images for a thumbnail, I would recommend using an actual image of the celebrity, and also too with some of these thumbnail generators, they may block some of the celebrity images. So how our thumbnail generator works is it gives us a concept first. So we can, if you have your own, once again, if you're creating your own thumbnail, you can use this particular concept, and then it generates a prompt for us that we can use for our image. So let's do a modern comic image of this. So we're going to generate image, and this is a celebrity, so if it gives an error, just try again. So this is a decent cartoon type thumbnail for this. So this is great. Okay. And we also have a text thumbnail editor here. So if you did want to add some additional text here to this thumbnail, you can do that and download that thumbnail. So we already went through the topic scout. And once again, have you noticed we haven't had to prompt, we haven't had to type in anything else. We'll get back to this in a little bit. We do have our evergreen idea generator. So if you just have some general topics that you want some ideas on, it'll create it in 5 formats, just like these trending topics. Here's the audience persona generator. Let's go ahead and do celebrity real estate and lifestyles. If you've seen I prompted this before. So this is, once again, I'm doing this for my particular channel. So if you do gaming, if you do food, if you do beauty and fashion, you can prompt it for any topic here. So it's going to give us a persona for the type of viewer that is looking for these videos. It gives us some viewer goals. Okay, some pain points, feeling a disconnect between their current living situation and aspirational content they consume, content preferences, open door style interviews, suggested video topics. It gives us even some topics here, so we can save that to notes. So we have a few different options here to generate your full video package. We have a video hook, a video script outline, and a full script. So let's do them all here. And some of this really depends on how you're creating your videos. If you're an on camera, you may kind of go with the flow, but you just need a few hooks to open up the video with. So here are a few hooks. Now we can generate a full script outline. So we can do this, and once again, we're not having to prompt and say, hey, now give me a script outline. We're just keeping our keywords there, and it's going to generate a script outline for us. And once again, this is great if you're doing an on camera, or if you just need an outline of what to make this video about. So it's going to give us another hook here, an introduction, some pain points to be sure that we cover. Let me point out, any of these pro tips, anything that pops up here on the right side, you can come here to settings and disable any of the saving the notes or any of the pro tip tools. And also, if you do videos in other languages, you can come here and change the language settings as well. So let's get back to the script outline. So we have the script outline. We're going to save that to notes. And now what we're going to do is generate full script. Once we click that, it's going to carry over the outline for the script here, and we can do a few different type of scripts here. So let's do an engaging storytelling. This is going to use a little bit more, so if you're on a free plan, if you run into any user limits, reach out to me at mateo@youtubecreatorai.com, and I can give you a free week trial. But we do have an upgrade to pro that's going to remove any user limits. So it's going to generate a full script for us. It's going to give us a hook, the visual, what kind of scene, the narration of what to say. Or if you're doing videos like me where they're scripted and I use a voiceover, I can just copy and paste this, scene 2, scene 3, and it give us an outro here. So we can save this script to notes as well. Another feature of YouTube Creator AI is content expansion and repurposing. Let's generate that. Once you have a video, it's always a good idea to have some shorts ready to go, or a TikTok, or if this video pops off, has a few other ideas. So this just gives us a few ideas of some shorter form content and some long form videos. Now we have an A/B testing lab. So we can test a few title ideas. We do have the title generator here, that if we like any of these titles, that we can test them, or we can try a few different titles. It's going to generate it's going to give us 2 different titles. One's going to be a straight kind of SEO angle title, and one's going to be more of an intriguing type of title. And it's going to give us a thumbnail concept. So title A is just kind of a straight up SEO focused. So let's save that. Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce engage inside their 100 million plus real estate empire. It's going to give us a thumbnail concept. And then this is going to be a curiosity type of emotional title, The Secret Mansion Proposal and the Pressure Now on Taylor and Travis. I'm not sure about this title here. It is kind of an emotional and curiosity one. But if you're a new channel, it may not come up with some SEO. So let's do this. We're going to save those, but let's go to our title generator here, and I'm going to copy this title, and let's go to our showdown. So I'm going to put in this title here, and let's go to the title generator and do this title. So we can come here and you can use this for, so if you already have a video done and you're wanting to compare a couple titles, you can use YouTube Creator AI just for this portion. You don't have to go through every generator. You can use it for just what you want. For our example, so it's going to give us, I have these two titles here. It's going to give us an analysis of title A, the pros and cons, an analysis of title B, the pros and cons, and it's going to give us an expert recommendation. Taylor and Travis, their 100 million plus property portfolios explained. So that's a great title. You don't have to use this, but this, and you can generate this again. So those are a few title options, and these are our A/B testing title options. One other thing to look at is once you have a video done, it's great to have a community post to either promote the video or have a little quiz regarding this particular video. So our community post generator is going to give you a poll idea, a quiz idea, a question, behind the scenes, and announcement. And then if you do videos in other languages, you can translate all your notes to another language. I'm not going to do that here. And then once again, in our settings, this is a worldwide tool. People are creating YouTube videos all over the world. I'm doing them in English, but if you want to change it in Spanish, Portuguese, any of those options, you have that. So after we generated everything came to our scratch pad here. So all of our titles that we generated, our video descriptions here, and you can do a couple things. You can copy all of these to your own methods, whatever you use. We have our A/B testing. You can copy the entire, our trending topics. Let me go back to our trending topics. I didn't save that. So I want to have that here in case I decide to change my ideas. I want to have these topics saved. So we can save that here. Now let's go back to our scratch pad. So it's going to have our video description. Everything that we saved is going to be here. We didn't generate any evergreen ideas. We didn't translate any notes. You can copy all of these notes, or you can easily just click this button, save to HTML. All your notes are going to come up here clean for you. It's going to show you what the original prompt is, all your video titles, your video description, file name, concepts, your testing, A/B testing, your script outline, your full script. Everything that you generated for this particular video is going to be here, including, I think at the bottom, the notes here that we initially did. So check it out, and once you have these notes, you can print these and save these as a PDF, so you'll have your full video package here. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free for some limited use. If you want to upgrade to Pro, just check it out here. And you can contact me at mateo@youtubecreatorai.com, or send me a text if you'd like to try it out first. Totally free for a 1-week trial. Thank you very much.